Never stop taking on new challenges. Never stop dreaming. Never stop learning. Don't let anything stop your desire, dream, or learning ability. Thailand is a very popular destination to start a new life. This nation embraces the present while still holding on tightly to its rich history and heritage. It is a distinctive fusion of natural, conventional, exotic, and ultra-modern components with superb telecommunications technology, public transportation infrastructure, architecture, and way of life, as well as great outdoors, food and people, and a moderate cost of living. Currently, English is not widely spoken in Thailand. So, if you are considering either relocating for work or living in Thailand, learning Thai is the best way to communicate with locals. What is Thai Genesis? It is a successful Thai language course designed to meet the students' demands. With the use of TPR, which means total physical response, in addition to animation, role-playing, usable expressions, and cultural knowledge, you learn Thai while simultaneously gaining an understanding of Thai culture and traditions. Learn Thai language and culture from anywhere and at any time. Using effective teaching strategy. Total physical response, or TPR, is a method of teaching which requires students to use physical movements in order to better learn new vocabulary taught by the teacher.
ห้องน้ำไปทางไหนคะ
TPR is based on the idea that if you do some action in the context of language learning, the learning is more meaningful and you learn faster. The method also lowers stress levels in students. Then the course teaches you basic Thai structure through a simple and easy to follow dialogue. You say the words out loud with our teacher. Animation and roleplay. The course makes use of role-playing and animation to better comprehend the Thai language in various circumstances.
ผมแพ้กุ้งครับ I'm allergic to shrimp.
Effective drills. With the specially designed exercises, you can compose the sentences yourself.
เขาดูทีวีอยู่
Useful expressions of Thai language. In useful expressions of Thai language, you learn the common spoken Thai phrases used in typical daily conversations.
ไปสยามพารากอนค่ะ I'm going to Siam Paragon.
Cultural facts. Click interesting facts about Thai culture. Check out these keywords and adjust to your Thai way of life.
In Thailand we call them กางเกงลายช้างครับ
The course provides you the greatest writing training and is easy to follow.
To remember the, let's think about the letter J. But you need to flip up and start from the middle line with a head and make a roof on the top.
The best anti-aging online language course. Thai Genesis, which is an anti-aging online language course, makes use of techniques that can be utilized to exercise your brain and improve your language learning ability, thereby lessening the symptoms of amnesia. This training will be very beneficial to you also if you wish to retire in Thailand. Enroll in Thai Genesis now. There are no age or geographical restrictions in pursuing your dream of exploring and enjoying a new chapter of your life in Thailand.